Hello all, in this video I am going to discuss key differences between the two vaccines which are available in India, that is Covishield and Covaxin. Covishield is developed by Oxford and AstraZeneca, both are UK based, and Serum Institute of India has got the manufacturing rights for India, whereas the Covaxin was developed by Bharat Biotech and ICMR. Bharat Biotech is a Hyderabad based company which has pioneered lots of vaccines previously. The technology for both the vaccines are, for Covishield, it is based on the viral vector vaccine, that is for the protein spike subunit has been taken from the coronavirus, incorporated into the chimpanzee adenovirus, and that adenovirus has been used as a vaccine in Covishield. Whereas this type of virus vector vaccine has been previously used for Ebola, which is very successful technology. For Covaxin, traditional inactivated vaccine method, the dose interval for both the vaccines are initially recommended as 4 weeks, but the Covishield currently it is recommended to give with 6 weeks difference between first and second dose. Both the vaccines, as long as we prolong this first and second dose, the protective efficacy is increased. When it comes to the side effect profile, both the vaccine has fever, cough, myalgia, headache and tiredness. The blood clot is one of the serious side effects reported with Covishield, but fortunately in India so far no blood clot has been reported. Moving on to the protection rate or efficacy, Covishield in phase 3 trials of various countries, it has been reported protection rate between 80 to 90%, whereas Covaxin from Indian data with a few numbers we have got 82%. When it comes to the protection rate, the third vaccine which is in pipeline, that is Sputnik V, the Russian vaccine, which is based on the same viral vector technology as Covishield, has maximum protective efficacy of up to 92% of all the vaccines. Now when it comes to the cost, both Covishield and Covaxin are giving the vaccine to central government for 150 rupees and for say state government 400 and 600 respectively. For private hospital, Covishield charges 600 rupees and Covaxin is charged at 1200 rupees. The mRNA vaccines are claimed to be the costliest vaccines, but when it comes to the storage, both these vaccines can be stored at 2 to 8%, but when it comes to the mRNA vaccines, it needs to be stored at minus 20 degree centigrade. That is the next challenge when we start giving mRNA vaccines. When it comes to the mutant strain, as from the data available, Covishield has not shown any reports on this mutant strains, whereas the Covaxin has shown the protective efficacy against these mutant strains. So the choice between this Covishield and Covaxin can be taken by you based on the factors which I have mentioned. Both these vaccines are very good. Both these vaccines are are need of the day. So whatever I would recommend, whatever the vaccines which is available in the nearest healthcare center, you can go for it. And if your choice of vaccination is yours, but definitely vaccination is a need of the day. Thank you very much.